morning, one and all. I am Mandaraj Babu, working as English and Life Skill Trainer at AP Balayogi Gurukulam, Golconda, Visakhapatnam district. Today I am going to deal with the topic spotting errors. Spotting errors are nothing but to spot the errors in a sentence. And this topic is very important for the students in the examination point of view. And for example, if you see few sentences are given on the board. For example, knowledge of at least 2 languages are required to pass the examination, no error. Here in this sentence, knowledge is the subject is singular, so the verb also should be in a singular. So instead of are, we should use is. So the third part is wrong in this sentence. And second example, in an hour's time, when I had finished the work, I got up and slipped out unnoticed, no error. So here, this is related to articles. So here, in a, so hour. So H is silent in this word. So hour. So we should use article. When we use article A, there should be when we use article an, AEIOU, overs should be there. So here H is silent, that's why we should use article an in this sentence. This part is wrong in this sentence. In an hour time, when I had finished the work, I got up and slipped out unnoticed. So third example, all the staffs of this company hold the view that Kumar is a very wise and an intelligent officer. So here, all the staff, for example, the meaning of the sentence, all the staff members, they had a view that the company members had a view that Kumar is very wise and intelligent. So when we use the Kumar noun, so they are speaking about Kumar is wise. Wise is adjective and intelligent also adjective. So when we use 2 adjectives about a person in a sentence, we shouldn't use 2 articles, okay, random. So that's why here an is wrong. So we should use only 1 article. So all the staff of this company hold the view that Kumar is a very wise and intelligent officer. That is the correct sentence. Fourth example. You must either be regular with your studies and study for a longer period before the examination. So here this sentence is related to conjunction. So when 2 conjunctions are related, see here neither, nor, either, or, those where those words are related to adjectives. So here, see, you must either be regular with your studies, and instead of and we should use or. So you must either be regular with your studies or study for longer period before the examination. That is correct sentence. Fifth example. He is the boy which came to us yesterday. So this is related to relative pronoun. So he is related to the boy pronoun. So here pronoun which, actually instead of which we should use whom, who. So he is the boy who came to us yesterday. That is the correct answer. So, he is the boy who came to us yesterday. That is the correct answer. So, sixth example. We come into the notice that many people say that he did not came yesterday. So, yes, subject was for agreement. So, here he did not came. So, in a sentence, we shouldn't use two past tenses. Did also past tense, came also past tense. So, instead of he did not came, we should use he did not come yesterday. He did not come yesterday. That is the correct sentence. So, two past tense. One did also past tense, came also past tense. So, that's why we should use present form come. He did not come yesterday. Seventh one. Chennai and Kolkata has very hot weather. So, Chennai and Kolkata. So, these two nouns we should use. So, these two nouns, they are not plural, they are not singular. Two nouns, that's why we should use have. Chennai and Kolkata have very hot weather. That is the correct sentence. These days, eighth one. These days, job opportunities are not as better as thus used to be in the early 70s. So, these days, so see the meaning of the sentence is, so 70 years, the year 70, century 70, that time job opportunities are more than now it seems. So, see, these days job opportunities are not as better as. So, see, here this is superlative decrease, comparative decrease. So, here for good, better, best. For good, better, best. So, we should use positive degree. Here, we should use positive degree. So, positive degree for this is good. So, instead of using better, these days job opportunities are not as good as thus used to be in the early 70s. So, that is the correct sentence. So, these are the spotting errors examples. So, actually in spotting errors there are 21 types of spotting errors. We have only few examples. I have dealt with very few examples. Thank you and one and all.